Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Actually, it's good day. So, what's really happening? Let's go straight to our weekly analysis. Today is Sunday. So, before we even continue, just know that actually this week we also have the biggest news in the game, which is CPI, core retail sales, right? So what are those actually CPI mean? They actually gauge the inflation. When we talk about the inflation, we're talking about the prices of the items that we buy or goods. Actually, let's say if maybe last year bread was like 12 rands, you find out that maybe around this time it's like 13 rands or 14 rands. I know now the bread is like 19, 20 rands around there, or even more. So I'm talking about something like that. So actually, don't if maybe you did not understand what core CPI mean, it actually gauges the prices. So the thing is, if the prices are going up, obviously people they suffer. So which means if the price goes up, actually we're talking about the dollar here. Dollar is going to gain strength because things are getting expensive, but that is not actually good for the economy. That's why at the end of the day, we're going to have interest rates. They have to increase rates so that the inflation can go a little bit lower. So let me show you what we have actually this week. I hope maybe you're gonna see this very nice. Let's see. I hope you're gonna see this. It's actually on Wednesday, 2:30. If we're not going to have a load shedding, actually we actually going to go live. So forecast or estimates, they think maybe month to month, it seems like it's trying to go up. Year to year, still the same as last actually. Core CPI month to month, it seems to be going a bit lower. So if it's going lower, we're going to see the likes of anything against the dollar actually gaining momentum. We're gonna see them getting stronger. You see, so if you don't really understand that, I think I will just do a video, another video about only fundamentals, right? Maybe that might also help. So now let's go straight to our market. I will just try to start with a Euro USD, but please guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. If you see this video, maybe let's say you're watching this video on Instagram, you can check my link or just search Xtrahot Forex actually, or I will just attach the link. Then you can subscribe, guys. I can see also people on Facebook, they also watch my videos, but I think maybe they're not subscribed. Please go on my YouTube channel and support the channel. You can smash the like, subscribe, then the channel will be growing very nice, right? So I hope you saw. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do, just WhatsApp me. So on the screen there, we have Euro USD. What's really happening on Euro USD? Yes, the market was actually going down, but we have a resistance on top. Whoa, what color is that? Okay, it's fine. So you can easily see that on top here we have a resistance. On the bottom side, we have a very nice support area. And at the same time, this helps us to understand that we are actually on an uptrend. The market is pushing to the upside. That's why actually we had something like this. We had a buy pending order actually on Euro USD. Guess what? The market actually came around this area, pushed lower, touched this support area, boom, the market pushed up. Obviously, that is money. You see that it's quite simple. So if you also want to learn the strategy, go on my YouTube channel here. There are members only where you have to join. Actually, I think it's 300 or 200. Then you can just enjoy my weekly private updates just to teach you how things are going actually, or the strategies that we're using. Entries, drawing the trends line, everything actually. So what's really happening is, yes, the market did respect this again, but it wasn't surprising because we can easily see that the market is been respecting this area for quite some time. On top here, we just have a resistance. So when we buy, we know that around this area, we need to get out because the market might find the resistance. But as the market is actually on a bullish momentum, there is enough chance that the market can break this area and start to push the upside. The market might start to push the upside. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. Whoa, which is actually USDJPY. We also smashed this one on Friday. Yes, I think it was on Friday. So what's really happening here is, you can see we still have that long position there. But obviously everyone, I think, is out. So what happened there is, it's also quite straightforward. It's also straightforward. The market was doing what? Was giving us a very nice bullish momentum. You can see that the market is been respecting this support area. You can see every time when the market touches that zone, the market is pushing to the upside. You can see that the market is pushing to the upside. But since the market was pushing up, we were just waiting for the market to bounce back. And it did bounce back, and the signal was sent in the group. The signal was sent in the group, and if maybe you are part of the team, just let me know if you did take this signal. You can see that the market actually reached this area. We had a very nice bullish moment, a long position, which the market triggered as we had a buy pending order. And it seems like the market can still push to the upside. But since this week, actually, I'm talking about this coming week, we have CPI. Things might change. Things might change. The market might keep pushing up, or maybe the market might come back and break this support area. But you have to come back and watch my updates daily. I do updates daily, guys. Daily. Don't forget that. So let's push to the next one. We are still on bullish on USDJPY. I don't really want to make this video very long. What's really happening on US oil? YTI actually. We can easily see that, yes, the market is pushing to the lower side. The market is been pushing lower and lower. Let's see this on a daily time frame. Maybe you will easily see this. Let's see. You can easily see that, yes, the market is been pushing to the, I feel like I want to sneeze. Sorry. So what's really happening is, the market is been actually pushing to the lower side, which we call this what? A downtrend. So whatever that we see here on a daily time frame, we're still going to see that actually on a 4 hours time frame, 2 hours time frame. So the market touched our resistance, and what happened? The market started to push the lower side. On the bottom side here, we had a support area, or the area where the market actually touched and respected. We can see that. So we have something like this. You can see here, the market pushed lower again and touched that very quick and starting to push to the upside. As we have, let me go on a 4 hours time frame. As we have a resistance, a counter resistance, a counter actually, or inner, it's another resistance which is inside this stronger resistance. So it seems like the market is also respecting that. So there is a chance that the market can reach this area and push lower again as we are on a downtrend. Or maybe the market can actually break and start to push the upside. Maybe we're going to reach this area before pushing down again as we are actually on a downtrend. Or maybe the market might get out and start to give us some bullish momentum. But the market has been struggling on this downtrend for quite some time. Okay? So let's go on gold. What happened on gold, guys? You can easily see that, yes, yeah, we had some serious moves actually last week, and the news actually were doing something crazy. So what happened is, we had a very nice structure which I've been showing you for quite some time. The market was just consolidating around this area. After that, the market broke out. So the market did give us a sort of a retest. You can see a retest, then boom, pushed up. Now the market came back again around the same area. But as you know, this is gold. It won't make things easier for you. It left a very nice wick there, or a tail, guys, a tail. So That tail, actually, it was just to scare anyone or to touch your stop loss if you bought here. So what happened is, since the market is actually at the support area, there is enough chance for the market to bounce, like to still push bit higher. You see, the market can still go like seriously higher, as the market is actually on a support area. But since we have a CPI, things might just consolidate. The market, when we have high economic news, most of the time, especially Monday, Tuesday, the market will just play around. The market will just consolidate, quite similar to these areas. It's before the news, the market was just consolidating. Even here, the market might consolidate before we see another shoot to the upside or maybe to the downside. I hope you're gonna smash the subscribe button. And what's really happening, I think maybe we can just wait there. I think it's a very nice area for us to do what, to actually buy. Now we are actually on US30, Dow Jones US30. So what's really happening on Dow Jones? We actually see that the market did touch our resistance. Even though, yes, the news were all over the place, but we can easily see that the market did touch this area. Do you see that? The market did touch this resistance, and after touching the resistance, the market started to push lower. Even though it seems like the market is now bouncing back, but we see that the market actually did touch our resistance. So we need to connect these areas and see if maybe we're not leaving any opportunity behind. So I don't think this will make sense. So my job now is to go on a bit smaller time frame, starting from 4 hours time frame, and try to see what's really happening, what can we connect to, and what maybe it's not going to be. I don't think. Nope, I don't think. I think I will be forcing that. So the best way is to go a little bit closer and see what's really happening. So on top there, you can see that yes, we did touch our resistance before. It's raining, guys. I don't know if maybe you can hear that on the microphone. So the market did touch actually our resistance, and from there the market started to run away. So what's happening here is, let me try to zoom. The market gave us a very nice structure to say, you know what, guys, I'm pushing lower. Do you see that? I'm pushing lower. Then after that, guess what? The market pushed and broke out of that area. So let me just make this a line so that you can see. Maybe you can see that. You can see that now. So you can see that the market actually was giving us a proper structure. Do you see that? Then the market broke out here, and I tried to mark this area, and I thought maybe the market was going to respect. Guess what? The market did not actually respect that. So we have another area, which is this one. It seems like the market touched that area. You can see, starting from this area, the market was respecting that zone actually. Not there, actually on top here. So if the market breaks here, we'll be waiting actually for the market to touch this resistance. So there is enough chance for the market to bounce back, and there is another chance again. It's 50-50. There is a chance that the market can still break to the top. Another rule in trading: don't just be 100% about everything. 50-50, it will be much better, because even when you make mistake, you're going to get out easily. You're not going to hold trades even if the market is going against you. But if you're 100%, you think maybe you know 100%, most of the time you're gonna hold trades and they're gonna punch you. You're gonna hold trades, and so the market is gonna bounce back. The market doesn't really bounce back until it reaches certain area. So if you are wrong, get out. So that's why when we say it's 50-50, the market can respect this area, or the market can respect this resistance and push lower, or the market can break and start to push the upside. So we are always 50-50. So if you are actually defensive in your trading, sometimes you save something. Don't just go out and say, I don't place the stop loss 1, 2, 3. Yes, people who have enough cash, they don't do that, but they don't tell you when they lose, because they actually, the negative can go crazy up to a point where they can't close, because closing it will seems to be like way too risky, because already the amount is too big. So Now we are on our favorite one, which is NASDAQ, US Tech, US 100. What's really happening? We can see that US Tech or NASDAQ 100 is actually on a very nice uptrend, and we can confirm that by drawing our support area. And when we draw that, it makes sense, even though the market sometimes can scare you. Sometimes you think the market can break, and sometimes the market bounce back. Sometimes the market acts like this and continue. So that's why I say sometimes let's be 50-50 on the market. If you take a sell, you took a sell here, still you were going to lose, you see. But if you took a buy, at least you were not going to be 100% sure, because it seems like a breakout, right? But what I see is, yes, the market is actually on a bullish momentum, and the market touched this area. We had a very nice wedge move there. The market broke out, and you know what? We smashed that. We did smash that. Check that out, actually. Or if you are in the group, let me know if you did smash that. So, but why did we buy? Since the market was actually pushing to the lower side, you can see the market was respecting this area as a resistance. It wasn't just easier for us to say, oh, we're going to buy. No, the market actually gave us this wedge move or wedge structure, and we waited for the market to break that structure. And once the market breaks, actually we got our trade around this area, and we were already out around that area. Why? Because the market can actually bounce back. Yes, sometimes the market can keep pushing, and you think maybe, oh, I lost some. No, sometimes get out, because if you have that mindset, yes, sometimes you're gonna make more, sometimes you're gonna make less, because the market will eventually bounce back. Instead of closing maybe with 800 rands, for example, now you're going to close with 150 rands, and you will say, if I closed. So don't do that. Whatever the market gives you, just get out. It doesn't really matter how much you make, but as long as you made something, it's much better than nothing. So guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So on NASDAQ, I still believe that the market actually touched our resistance. There is a chance for the market to break out and push the upside, but as I repeat, there is like a CPI this week. The market might start to play games. The market might play games and start to actually consolidate or start to push lower before we see the market pushing. If the inflation is still pushing higher, yeah, we're gonna see NASDAQ still pushing lower. Also US30. So I hope maybe you're going to be on our live session, as we go on our live session every day. So for those who want to be part of the team, these are the signals. If you want, lifetime is $250, which you can actually recover your money within a month. You can make $250. If you want 12 months, it's actually $150. You can see on the screen, 6 months, $80. So if you want to be part of the team, there is a link for my WhatsApp. You can just talk to me. Thank you very much. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.